Welcome back to my channel. Today we will combine two kitchen towels to make a pillow. Supplies needed will be a threaded sewing machine using a zipper foot, iron and border pad, two kitchen towels. I purchased mine from Hobby Lobby. You can choose the same design for both or two different designs. Calculate the lengths and widths before purchasing bias tape to make sure you have enough to cover all edges. Coordinating double fold bias tape size 7/8 inches, 1 bag of Polyfill premium polyester fiber fill to stuff the pillow, fabric clips or pins, scissors, tape measure. Remove tags from both towels, then press wrinkles from both towels, then set aside and unpackage and press bias tape. With right sides out, attach bias tape around the sides of the towels with fabric clips or pins, but clip the thick ends from all four corners to make it less bulky, and leave an opening to stuff the pillow. Then begin stitching bias tape approximately 4 inches down from one end of the bias tape, since you'll need to connect the other end piece to it at the end. Stitch the bias tape around the sides until you reach the opening, then remove from the machine. Begin stuffing the pillow with the amount of polyfill you like and make sure there's enough in the corners. Then adjust to your liking. When finished, connect the other end of the bias tape by cutting it a bit over a 1/4 inch past the first end. Unpin the first end of the bias tape, open the bias tape, turn one end face down and line up the end piece and pin together. Then stitch both ends together approximately a 1/4 inch. Finger press seam open, then fold bias tape back up as it was, then place back over the edge of the fabric and finish stitching. You now have a uniquely made pillow.